Looking for the best blender in 2026? We tested the top models from Ninja, Breville, Braun, and KitchenAid, and the #1 pick might surprise you. So before you spend your money, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the top 5 best blenders in 2026. After extensive research, product comparisons, expert reviews, and customer feedback, I've put together a list of the best blenders that can meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're looking for a powerful blender for frozen smoothies, a versatile model for soups and sauces, a premium option for everyday use, or simply the best value for your money, this list has something for everyone. I've carefully compared each blender based on performance, motor power, durability, ease of use, features, and overall value to help you make the right choice. To make your shopping easier, I've included links to all of these products in the description below. Those links are updated regularly so you can check the latest prices, deals, and availability anytime. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your favorite blender, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews, buying guides, and top 5 recommendations. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the countdown and discover the top 5 best blenders of 2026. Number 5. The Breville BBL 820SHYQ Home Blender. The Breville BBL 820SHYQ Home Blender is built for people who want professional blending performance without leaving their kitchen. Powered by an impressive 1,800-watt motor and featuring a generous 68-ounce blending jug, it is designed to handle everything from morning smoothies to homemade soups and nut butters with speed and consistency. One of its biggest strengths is the powerful motor combined with a blade tip speed of up to 186 miles per hour under load. That means faster blending, smoother textures, and less time waiting for ingredients to break down. Whether you're crushing ice or blending frozen fruit, it works with confidence. The 4 one-touch programs make everyday tasks simple. Dedicated smoothie modes help create creamier drinks. The ice crush setting quickly turns ice into snow, and the soup program helps achieve smooth, hot soups with minimal effort. These presets remove the guesswork and deliver reliable results. Another standout feature is the 5 manual speed settings. They give you greater control over texture. Whether you're making fresh salsa, creamy dips, plant-based milk, natural nut butter, or finely milled flour. For users who want even better blending quality, the blender is compatible with the optional VaxQ vacuum pump. By removing air before blending, it can produce smoother textures, brighter colors, and richer flavors. Breville also designed the clip and secure lid to stay firmly in place during high-speed blending while allowing steam to vent safely. After you're finished, the one-touch auto-clean program makes cleanup quick and easy. In real-world use, the Breville Q feels fast, powerful, and dependable. It is an excellent choice for families, smoothie lovers, home cooks, and anyone who regularly blends large batches. Its commercial-grade performance makes daily food preparation easier and more efficient. If you want a premium home blender that delivers professional-level performance, the Breville Q is a strong investment. Number 4. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender with tamper KSB 4028 and contour silver is designed for people who want a reliable blending performance without constantly stopping to stir or scrape the jar. Its intelligent blending system combines smart motor control, a specially designed blade, and a ribbed jar to help create smoother blends from a wide variety of ingredients. Whether you're making breakfast smoothies, frozen drinks, or chunky salsas, this blender offers the flexibility to match your recipe. One of the biggest highlights is the 3-part blending system. The ribbed jar creates a powerful vortex, while the asymmetric blade and IntelliSpeed motor control work together to maintain the ideal blending speed. That means fewer unblended pieces and more consistent results every time. The K400 also handles hard ingredients like kale and almonds with ease. If you enjoy homemade smoothies using whole foods, this feature helps you achieve a smoother texture without extra effort. Another convenient feature is the variable speed dial. You can easily switch from silky smooth soups to chunky dips, giving you greater control over the final texture. If you prefer one-touch convenience, the 3 preset programs for ice crush, icy drink, and smoothie simplify everyday blending tasks. Cleaning is refreshingly simple thanks to the self-clean cycle. Just add water with a drop of dish soap, run the cleaning program, and the jar is ready for the next recipe in minutes. For added versatility, KitchenAid also offers optional expansion jars, including a small batch jar and a personal blender jar, allowing you to customize the blender for different serving sizes. In In daily use, the KitchenAid K400 delivers dependable performance for smoothies, frozen drinks, and everyday blending. The tamper is especially helpful when working with thicker mixtures, making the blending process smoother and more efficient. It's an excellent choice for families, health-conscious users, and home cooks looking for consistent blending results. The KitchenAid K400 is a well-designed blender that combines smart technology, versatile controls, and everyday convenience into one reliable package. If you regularly make smoothies, frozen drinks, or homemade recipes with tougher ingredients, it's a strong option worth considering. Number 3. The Ninja TB301 Blender. The Ninja TB301 is designed for people who want one blender that can handle almost everything. Whether you're making morning smoothies, crushing ice for frozen drinks, chopping vegetables for fresh salsa, or preparing quick meals, this all-in-one blender adapts to your needs. It includes a large 72-ounce pitcher for family-sized recipes and two 24-ounce single-serve cups with lids for convenient drinks on the go. The biggest highlight is the 1,800 peak watt motor. It provides the power needed to blend tough fruits, frozen ingredients, and ice with ease, helping you create smoother drinks in less time. Another standout feature is Ninja's BlendSense technology. Instead of guessing the right settings, the blender automatically adjusts its speed and blending time. That means consistent results, even if you're trying a new recipe. The 72-ounce full-size pitcher is perfect for making large batches, making it a great option for families or anyone who likes meal prepping. When you're in a hurry, the two 24-ounce personal cups let you blend your drink and take it with you without transferring it to another container. The total crushing and chopping blade assembly does more than crush ice. It also chops vegetables efficiently, making it useful for homemade salsa, dips, and food preparation. For users who prefer more control, the blender offers 10 variable speed settings in full-size pitcher mode, along with one-touch preset chop programs for added convenience. In everyday use, the Ninja TB301 delivers powerful, smooth blending and offers the flexibility to switch between personal drinks and family-sized recipes. It's especially well-suited for busy households, smoothie lovers, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants one appliance to handle multiple kitchen tasks. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance blender that combines smart technology with serious power, the Ninja TB301 is a strong choice. It simplifies everyday blending while offering enough flexibility for a wide variety of recipes. Number 2. The Braun TriForce Power Blender. The Braun TriForce Power Blender is built for home cooks who want professional-level blending without the guesswork. Highly recommended by America's Test Kitchen, it combines powerful performance with intelligent controls to handle everything from creamy smoothies and homemade mayonnaise to thick almond butter and hot soups. If versatility matters to you, this blender is designed to simplify everyday cooking. One of its standout features is the unique triangular blending jug. Instead of letting ingredients spin around without mixing properly, the shape helps direct food toward the blades for faster and more efficient blending. That means smoother recipes in less time. Another major advantage is Braun's eye texture control system. You can choose between smooth, medium, or coarse textures depending on your recipe. Whether you're making a silky soup, chunky salsa, or creamy dip, you get more control over the final result. The blender also includes 6 dedicated food programs, each paired with the 3 texture options for a total of 18 preset combinations. If you prefer complete control, there are also 10 manual speed settings plus a pulse function, making it easy to fine-tune every recipe. Power is another highlight. The 1,600-watt motor works alongside precision-edged stainless steel blades forged in Solingen, Germany, to process tough ingredients with impressive consistency. The intuitive illuminated touch display keeps operations simple, while the auto-clean function makes cleanup much quicker after blending. In everyday use, the TriForce Power Blender delivers reliable, smooth blending across a wide variety of recipes. It is especially well-suited for families, health-conscious users, and home chefs who regularly prepare smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butters, and frozen drinks. Compared with many standard countertop blenders, its combination of powerful performance and customizable texture settings offers greater flexibility for different cooking styles. If you want a powerful, versatile blender that delivers consistent results while giving you greater control over every recipe, the Braun TriForce Power Blender is a strong choice. Number 1. The Breville BBL620SIL Fresh and Furious Blender. The Breville BBL620SIL Fresh and Furious Blender is designed for people who want more than a basic smoothie maker. It combines strong blending power with thoughtful features that make everyday food prep faster and easier. Whether you're making breakfast smoothies, crushing ice for frozen drinks, or blending warm soups, this blender is built to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with minimal effort. One of its biggest strengths is the combination of 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings. That means you can quickly choose the right setting for smoothies, green smoothies, or ice crushing without guessing, giving you more consistent results every time. Another standout feature is the even blending hemisphere performance. Instead of leaving chunks behind, it folds ingredients back into the blades for smoother textures. It also crushes ice into snow, making frozen drinks and creamy soups much more enjoyable. The blender is also compatible with the VacQ vacuum pump, sold separately. By removing air before blending, it can help create smoother textures, brighter colors, and richer flavors for those who want premium quality blends. Breville also focuses on comfort with a high-torque motor and surgical-grade stainless steel blades. The design delivers efficient blending while keeping noise lower than many powerful blenders, and the durable blades stay sharp longer for reliable performance. Finally, the LCD display and assist lid with ring pull make everyday use simple. The screen tracks blending time, while the lid stays securely sealed and is easy to remove when you're finished. In everyday use, the Fresh and Furious performs well for smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, and general food preparation. It's especially suitable for busy families, health-conscious users, and anyone who wants fast, consistent blending without excessive noise. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use blender that balances performance, convenience, and durability, the Breville Fresh and Furious is a strong choice worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and let us know which blender is your favorite. If you enjoy honest reviews, top 5 product rankings, and the best Amazon buying guides, make sure to subscribe to Best Zone and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. You'll find the latest prices and purchase links for all the blenders featured in this video in the description below. Thanks again for your support. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.